2024 M4 competition. Sweet ass ride, all-wheel drive. It's got the X drive on there, as you can see. It's got the stock garbage system, not doing it for the customer. So we're getting some pretty sweet AWE catback switch path, baby. So it comes with the valves, comes with the X pipe, all 3-inch piping, and some black diamond tips. Also comes with a sucker. This one actually came with 2 suckers. Boom. Dual the suckers on the AWE. So all 3-inch full stainless steel, edge pipe midsection, 3-inch piping all the way through. Got the black diamond tips, like I said, and this crazy looking muffler, which is pretty sweet. This is one of the first systems we've seen from AWE. The switch path does have to have a solid muffler so the valves can actually work. And then, like I said, black diamond tips to match the black on black on the car. So let me show you the stock system real quick. You got big ass stock muffler right here. Really restrictive, not doing anything for performance, even though it's a competition series M car, not an M performance exhaust. So they run competitions, but not competition exhaust. Then it has these valves, stock actuators, control the stock. When you put it in M1, M2, valves open up, car gets a little bit more aggressive. Now the system continues to some restrictive piping. You can see the crush, not doing anything for flow. A resonator here, more restriction. Resonator here, even more restriction, complete garbage. So we're going from everything from the cat's back, upgrading the pipes 3-inch all the way through, full stainless steel, and it's a switch path system by AWE, which is pretty badass. So we're gonna install it. Me and Matt are gonna take care of this today, and we're gonna see what this AWE sounds like, guys. Got the AWE system installed, looks badass. Got the tips to fill out the whole cutout. So you get an aftermarket exhaust. It's not just for the sound, for the tips, for the looks. Looks badass. AWE does a real sweet job when it comes down to aesthetics. The 4.5-inch look badass. It's a little windy out here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but you know, we're grateful. It's not 98 degrees in Florida. So black tips installed, got the black diamond look. I think it looks badass. Everything on the car is black. Even the badging's black. Carbon fiber rear wing. He's gonna do some more carbon fiber stuff in the future. But for now, got the BMW M4 competition set. X drive with the black on black. Got a sick interior, all red guts. Pretty pimp. Got the carbon fiber on the steering wheel. Carbon fiber trim pretty much everywhere. It's sick, man. Even got the BMW seats. Sick. So yeah. The new Beamers, man, they're really stepping it up. Badass wheels too. I really love these wheels. They're a set of competition wheels, which is always pretty pimp. And like I said, matches with the rest of the car, black on black, guys. So you got a BMW, you got an M4, M3, M2, M1. We got you. We got systems for all of them. From AWE to Meisterschaft, G-Exhaust, got you guys covered. G-Exhaust.com also has these AWE systems online. And if you have any questions and you're local, pull up to Davie or Oakland Park, man. We got you 24/7. G-Exhaust out.